Where were you when the war broke out?
I was in Warsaw at the Bristol Hotel with my mother and my grandmother. That was September 1, 1939. At about 2:30 we were awakened by a series of explosions. Noises that seemed to come from far away and nearby, and being young, naive and stupid, I thought that this perhaps the Polish army's secret maneuvers to prepare Poland for war, or perhaps it was a series of explosions in a chemical plant on the outskirts of Warsaw. It was only when we got to breakfast at the hotel in the morning that we found out that Germany did not declare war on Poland the way it was done until then. It simply invaded Poland allegedly because of Polish provocations. I didn't get back to Krakow. My father came in our family car. There was a driver called Ivanchenko. He came to Warsaw. And by the way, he was stopped by Polish police in the early days of the war. And they were very suspicious of his last name because it sounded German. And father had his identity card as a councilman of city of Krakow. When the police saw it, they apologized, let him go. I have this, remember this identity card of my father's councilman still at home. When we found out the Polish government fled east to Lublin, we followed in our car to Lublin. And by the time we got to Lublin, the government moved somewhere to the southeastern corner of Poland, near the Romanian border. We followed in that direction, but we stopped in Stanisławów, and there we discovered our relative. We found a little place where to live, and he hid the car in a nearby barn. The moment the Russians came in, somebody denounced the presence of our car in the barn. Two Russians came in with drawn pistols and demanded the key to the car. We refused to give it to them. So they pointed out that outside the window there was a Russian ZIS truck with a machine gun mounted on a tripod, and the machine gun was aimed at the apartment we were. And somehow looking at the barrel of a machine gun from the wrong end clarifies your thinking very quickly. We gave him the keys to our beloved Tatra and never saw the car again.